A culinary journey east. Flavors that dance on your tongue. From spicy Indian curries to delicate Japanese sushi, the East offers a culinary adventure for every palate. Today, we'll explore 3 iconic dishes: chicken biryani, Chinese dumplings, jiaozi, and sushi. These recipes invite you to experience the heart of Eastern cooking. So let's dive in and create some magic. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. The majesty of biryani, a symphony of spices and succulent chicken. Chicken biryani is a beloved dish across Asia, especially in India and Pakistan. This aromatic rice dish features tender marinated chicken layered with fragrant basmati rice and a medley of spices. Ingredients for the chicken marinade: 1.5 pounds boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup plain yogurt, 2 tsp biryani masala, 1 tsp red chili powder, 1 tsp turmeric powder, 1/2 cup chopped cilantro, 1/4 cup chopped mint leaves, salt to taste. Ingredients for the rice: 2 cups basmati rice, rinsed until water runs clear, 4 cups water, 2 bay leaves, 4 green cardamom pods, 4 cloves, 1-inch cinnamon stick, salt to taste. Ingredients for garnishing: 1 large onion, thinly sliced, 1/4 cup oil, saffron strands, soaked in 1/4 cup warm milk, chopped cilantro and mint leaves. 1. Marinate the chicken. Combine all marinade ingredients with the chicken. Mix well, cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. 1. Prepare the rice. Boil water with bay leaves, cardamom pods, cloves, cinnamon stick, and salt. Add rinsed rice and cook until 70% done. Drain and set aside. 1. Fry the onions. Heat oil and fry sliced onions until golden brown. Drain on paper towels. 1. Layer the biryani. In a heavy-bottomed pot, layer half the cooked rice, marinated chicken, fried onions, cilantro, and mint leaves. Repeat layers. 1. Final cooking. Pour saffron-infused milk over the top layer. Cover tightly and cook on low heat for 20-25 minutes. 1. Serve and enjoy. Fluff the biryani with a fork and serve hot, garnished with remaining fried onions, cilantro, and mint leaves. Perfecting the art of biryani. Tips from my kitchen to yours. Marination is key. Allow the chicken to marinate for at least 2 hours, or better yet, overnight. Rice perfection. Don't overcook the rice. It should be about 70% cooked before layering. Layering for success. Ensure the layers are evenly spread for even cooking and flavor distribution. The art of sealing. Press the lid down firmly to create a tight seal, trapping steam inside for perfect cooking. Delicate delights. Crafting authentic Chinese dumplings. Chinese dumplings, known as jiaozi, are parcels of joy, each bite bursting with savory flavors. Ingredients for the dough: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup warm water. Ingredients for the filling: 1 pound ground pork, 1 cup finely chopped napa cabbage, 1/2 cup chopped green onions, 1 tsp grated ginger, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 tsp soy sauce, 1 tsp sesame oil, 1 tsp salt, 1/2 tsp black pepper. Instructions. 1. Make the dough. Combine flour and salt. Gradually add warm water, mixing until a dough forms. Knead until smooth and elastic. Cover and let rest for 30 minutes. 1. Prepare the filling. Combine all filling ingredients and mix well. 1. Assemble the dumplings. Divide dough into small portions, roll into thin circles, and place a spoonful of filling in the center. 1. Fold and seal. Fold dough over filling to create a half-moon shape. Pinch edges tightly to seal. 1. Cooking the dumplings. Heat a skillet over medium heat. Add oil and place dumplings flat side down. Cook until golden brown. Add water, cover, and steam for 5-7 minutes. 1. Serve and enjoy. Serve hot with your favorite dipping sauce. Dumpling mastery. Secrets to impeccable folding and cooking. Sealing is crucial. Ensure dumplings are tightly sealed to prevent filling from leaking. Don't overcrowd the pan-cooked dumplings in batches for even cooking. The perfect sear. Achieve a crispy bottom by ensuring the pan is hot before adding dumplings and not moving them around too much. Sushi, an adventure in simplicity and freshness. Sushi, a culinary art form from Japan, emphasizes the natural flavors of fresh ingredients. Ingredients: 2 cups sushi rice, 2 cups water, 1/4 cup rice vinegar, 2 tsp sugar, 1 tsp salt, nori seaweed sheets, your choice of fillings, sliced avocado, cucumber, imitation crab meat, smoked salmon, soy sauce, wasabi, pickled ginger for serving instructions. 1. Prepare the sushi rice. Rinse rice until water runs clear. Combine rice and water in a saucepan, bring to a boil, reduce heat, cover, and simmer for 15 minutes. 1. Season the rice. Combine rice vinegar, sugar, and salt in a small saucepan. Heat until dissolved. Cool. 1. Cooling and seasoning. Transfer cooked rice to a bowl. Gradually pour vinegar mixture over rice, folding gently. Fan rice while mixing to cool. 1. Preparing the fillings. Slice chosen ingredients into thin strips. 1. Assembling the sushi. Lay nori on a bamboo mat. Wet hands, spread a thin layer of rice over nori, leaving a border. 1. Adding the fillings. Arrange fillings in a line across the center of the rice. 1. Rolling the sushi. Lift the edge of the nori over the filling, tuck in, and roll tightly using the bamboo mat. 1. Cutting and serving. Wet a sharp knife, slice the roll into bite-sized pieces. Serve with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger.